Hi boss, if you're working with hydraulic equipment, you know, choosing the wrong variable piston pump wastes a lot of power. The core of factor selections is matching your system's real needs while balancing cost, performance, and reliability. Avoid underpowered or overkill setups. Step 1. Choose the right series based on pressure. 810VS is ideal for industry fixed equipment like hydraulic stations, machine tools, and automation systems. 810V is designed for mobile machinery with stronger resistance to vibration and shock. Both handle up to 280 bar in light, intermittent, dirty, and offer great wow. Step 2. Calculate flow to determine displacement and 10% margin for intermittent civilian use and 15 to 20% for industry continuous operation. This reduces stress on pistons and valve plants, slowing down wear. Step 3. Choose the control method. The most critical part of variable pump. They are simple and economical for basic equipment. FR stabilizes flow but not energy saving. DFR highly recommended loading sensing with reference parts, save energy, buffers, shocks, and supports long continuous work. LR fully referenced for heavy mining and crushing applications. Step 4. Confirm installation details. Check rotation direction, left or right, shaft type, straight shaft or supply shaft, and seals stand NBR or reference written. Wrong choice can cause immediate damage or leaks. Step 5. Match motor powered correctly. Don't blindly pick a large motor. Match based on duty circle. Short bust, small 60 to 90 kW. Medium 130 to 190 kW. Large 210 and 350 kW. This prevents overheating, overload, and ensures suitable, durable operation. Every machine has unique conditions. Send me your equipment type, system pressure, and required flow, and I'll recommend the perfect variable piston pump for you. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.